Why do 75% of homeowners dread their renovation projects? Because they haven't met MJP Renovations yet. At MJP Renovations, we believe that a great renovation isn't just about slapping on some new paint and calling it a day. Oh no. It's about meticulous planning, precise budgeting, and flawless execution that stands the test of time. Imagine walking into your newly renovated space that's not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also meticulously crafted to meet every one of your needs without breaking the bank. How, you ask? Well, it's our secret sauce. A blend of experienced professionals, state-of-the-art materials, and an obsessive attention to detail. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast trying to find your ground, or a seasoned contractor looking for a reliable partnership, MJP has got your back. We handle the nuts and bolts, so you can enjoy the transformation without the drama. So next time you plan on transforming your living space, remember, MJP Renovations isn't just about making changes, we're about making changes last. Join us and let's build something beautiful together.